So let's take a look why multi-model is such a powerful feature. In the relational view, you might have, let's say, multiple tables, one for an invoice. And your invoice can actually link to two different tables, one being a bundle, and the bundle can bundle multiple articles. But your articles can also be directly linked from your invoice, right? SQL is really powerful when you want to search for a couple of records, a subset of your extent, and figure out, let's say, all the invoices where you've sold a certain number of bundles with certain articles in it, right? So SQL is really powerful in dealing with multiple records or finding subsets. It can also be really helpful if you want to insert a bulk data, for example. Objects, on the other side, are really efficient if you want to follow a graph or manipulate your data in memory. So if I have a graph starting with an invoice, my invoice might actually link to one bundle and to two articles. And the bundle might link to three additional articles, right? So building this structure in memory with objects is really easy and efficient. Once I've built it, I can just save it using a save method. And this whole operation is going to be atomic. In the relational view, these would be multiple insert statements for the different tables. And in order to make all of them atomic, I actually have to start a transaction and end the transaction afterwards, which is something you have to think about, you have to take care of it, and that's just adding complexity. So for manipulating a more complex graph, manipulating it, building it up, or deleting parts of this, the object access is much more efficient. In InterSystems IRIS, we do have relational and object access. They're completely synced, which means it doesn't really matter in which way you manipulate your data, how you insert it or how you delete it, because it's all pointing to the same data. It's just different views. This flexibility is what makes a database platform truly powerful.